We start the new point. Expression for pressure volume work. That means actually called as a PV work is there. You know what is the expression for pressure volume work? That we have to see one by one. See that. Here the gas cylinder is shown in above figure is there. This is the gas cylinder there actually. Having considered a certain amount of gas at constant pressure P is enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a movable piston of area A, and it is shown in a figure in above there. Here this is the gas there actually. Here this gas having the pressure P there. So the movable piston is attached to the cylinder there. Actually Px, external atmospheric pressure, is acted on the movable piston is there. Having the area, cross section area A is there actually. Now let the volume of gas of V1 at temperature T is there. When force is exerted by gas, then gas expands there actually. Now when the gas expands, the formula is given as F is equal to how many atmospheric pressure acted on the movable piston is the opposite is there, minus Px into A is there, where Px means actually external atmospheric pressure, and what is meaning actually A? Area of the movable piston is there actually. So the equation number 1 is there. F is equal to minus Px into A when the gas expands there actually. Then if the piston moves out a distance d, such a distance d is there actually, piston initial, the piston present in this side is there actually. When gas expands, that is the initial volume of V there, then piston moves upward direction, that is the present in a V2 is there, final volume of gas. Then this much distance is covered by the piston is there and gas can be expanded there. So W is equal to Fd there. How much work done? W is equal to force into distance there actually, T. The equation 2 is there, where F is a force, D is a distance, and W means work done. Putting the values of equation 1 in equation 2 is there actually. What you get? W is equal to minus, now F into A, minus P atmospheric pressure into A into D. Putting that is this value in this equation there, F value is there. So equation 3 is there. But the product of area and distance A into D is equal to change in volume of gas. That is A into D is equal to delta V. So putting the above values of equation 3, we get W is equal to minus P external Pex, external atmospheric pressure, into delta V, or W is equal to minus external pressure delta V. How much calculated? V2, final value minus initial value. So delta V means actually V2 minus V1, equation number 4. Here V1 is the initial volume of gas, V2 is the final volume of gas, delta V is the change in volume of gas. Change in volume of gas, how calculated? Final value minus initial value. This comes the equation in there. बघा यामध्ये हा गॅस सिलेंडर आहे, त्यामध्ये गॅसचं एक्सपान्शन झालेलं आहे इनिशियल व्हॅल्यूम टू फायनल व्हॅल्यूम. तर त्यामध्ये एक्सटर्नल ॲटमॉस्फिअर प्रेशर ॲक्टेड ऑन द मुव्हेबल पिस्टन इज ॲक्च्युली अँड सो द गॅस एक्सपांड्स डायरेक्टली. फॉर्म्युला म्हणजे फोर्स इज इक्वल टू हाय. वर्कचा फॉर्म्युला पाठीमाग बघितलेला आहे. वर्कचा फॉर्म्युला काय, पाठीमागच्या वेळेला W इज इक्वल टू एफ टी. एफची किंमत अशी आहे तरी यामध्ये ठेवा तर हे इक्वेशन येईल. म्हणजे ए इंटू टी म्हणजेच काय, चेंज इन व्हॅल्यूम ऑफ गॅस म्हणजे V1 टू V2 झालेला आहे. म्हणजेच काय येईल, W इज इक्वल टू मायनस एक्सटर्नल ॲटमॉस्फिअर प्रेशर इंटू V म्हणजेच काय, W इज इक्वल टू मायनस एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर V2 मायनस V1. आता जो डेल्टा V, डेल्टा म्हणजे डिफरन्स, तो कसा काढायचा, फायनल व्हॅल्यूममधून इनिशियल व्हॅल्यूम वजा करायचं म्हणजे काय येईल, डेल्टा डिफरन्स म्हणतो आपण. अशा पद्धतीने दोन्ही इक्वेशन येईल. W इज इक्वल टू मायनस P एक्सटर्नल ॲटमॉस्फिअर प्रेशर इंटू डेल्टा V और W इज इक्वल टू मायनस एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर इंटू डेल्टा V म्हणजे काय, V2 मायनस V1. So that is the equation comes there actually. Now in general, W is equal to minus P V2 minus V1 or W is equal to minus P delta V or minus P delta V. Here the negative sign indicates that the gas expansion process can be done. Then the value V2 is greater than V1. The equation 4 is the expression for pressure volume type of work at constant pressure. Here the two cases can be obtained there actually. One case number 1, when the gas expansion, then the work is done by the system on surrounding, then V2 is greater than V1. Final volume is greater than initial volume, then W is a negative sign. It indicates that take the W is a negative. आता यामध्ये केस नंबर 1 मध्ये गॅस ज्यावेळेला एक्सपान्शन होईल त्यावेळेला V2ची किंमत ही V1 पेक्षा जास्त असेल, त्यावेळेला W इज इक्वल टू निगेटिव्ह येईल. केस नंबर 2, when the gas is compressed, then work is done on the system by surrounding, then V2 is less than V1 and W is a positive, then it is a plus positive there, plus sign आहे there. म्हणजे गॅसचं कॉम्प्रेशन होईल तर तुम्हाला दोन म्हणजे क्रिया माहीत आहेत का बघा, एक्सपान्शन आणि कॉम्प्रेशन. एक्सपान्शन झाल्यानंतर डब्ल्यूची किंमत निगेटिव्ह होते, त्यावेळेला V2 इज ग्रेटर दॅन V1 असतो. ज्या वेळेला कॉम्प्रेशन होईल गॅसचं त्यावेळेला V2 हा V1 पेक्षा कमी असतो आणि डब्ल्यूची किंमत ही पॉझिटिव्ह साईनला लिहायची असते. ह्या दोन केसेस या महत्त्वाच्या आहेत. देन वी हॅव टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, प्री एक्सपान्शन इज दॅट. What it mean actually pre-expansion, that we have to, the definition is there. Pre-expansion means when the expansion against a zero opposing force, external atmospheric pressure, such expansion only done in a vacuum is there. When a vacuum space is there actually, there is no air is there actually, and such parts is called as a vacuum is there, and then the external pressure is a zero is there actually. Then put the value external atmosphere pressure is a zero. Ultimately the equation comes W is equal to 0. That means actually when in a pre-expansion there is a no work done in a vacuum space there actually, and this pre-expansion is a very decision point for the vacuum space there actually. This case is that is obtained. W is equal to that equation is there. W is equal to minus external pressure into delta V. Put the value external pressure is a 0, then ultimately this W is equal to becomes a 0 there actually. We start the new point, internal energy. Internal energy means actually is a symbol in thermodynamics. U is there actually. Now what do you mean actually internal energy?